Hi and welcome to Wowflow. In this video, I will show you how with help of Wowflow, you can easily digitalize, meaning automatize all of your daily important tasks in your operational facility management. Now, one of the most common things and things that may takes most of the time for all of us facility managers are the incoming daily influx of tickets, requests over different channels that are constantly landing into our email inbox or WhatsApp groups. And it really takes a lot of time to literally coordinate them, to structure them, and to document them. Wowflow helps here straight away. So when we log into our Wowflow platform, it is very easy to generate a new building, meaning workspace, or within a generated building, next to the important data that is necessary for your employees or your customers or visitors, you can go a level deeper and then start creating your sub workspaces, meaning building parts or different rooms of the building. Every item created in Wowflow automatically gets a generated QR code and a link inside of Wowflow. And that is already a one step closer for us to automatically get all the tickets and requests by having a possibility to give this to our customers. Meaning, when our customers scan this QR code, they come to a form that we can also adjust, and I will show how. And then they have a very easy way to report to us something. I will take this example of a cable to be removed. I can add an email address, I can add more information and or a CAPTCHA. It is very easily submitted and we have a success reply, meaning we will have this issue with us in short. Also, like mentioned in the settings page, it is possible to create additional email where you can also allow which users or domains are allowed on this email to send you automatically the tickets. And as mentioned before, the so-called public form that you can also here adjust. You can add new fields and also make them make them also required. So we come to an issue, we come to the list of actual issues, and we have one so-called one source of truth. We see all the issues and tickets and maintenance schedules that are happening, and we can easily delegate and have a good picture of what's going on. In this case, I can now make a decision to add more information, to set up more requirements if I need, like a photo required to finish the task, and I can assign this task for me into the internal employees, or let's say I will do it now to an external service provider, me as well, so I can show you the flow with external companies that can also be included without logging into the application. So as mentioned, Wowflow can really help you here to summarize all of your tickets and issues. Me as an external service provider, I already got a ticket and I already have the information. So when I click on this ticket, I already can go to the workflow, meaning I have a link that I can access over my email, no login required, and then go to the workflow and set everything up and make it done, or even communicate with my contractor, meaning as a facility manager. Also, one of the easiest way for service providers to comply and of course to help you is just by replying to the sent emails. Just by replying to the sent emails, they just need to give you information. For example, they can say that it's done and add you also a picture here of the evidence or whatever you need, also with PDF reports and Excel sheets, whatever you require, and send it back to you. So therefore, they are done without logging in and having any access data. When we come back to this task, we will actually see something different. We will see that it's already completed and we need to approve it right now. When we go to the activity, we see every single step of our service provider that he has done over the link, or she, of course. And when we come back, of course, to the notes, we see already the picture of a completed task based on a picture of actually what was reported before. And with automation to the ERP system or integration to the ERP system, just by clicking to complete, we can send a PDF report that can generate an invoice, or of course, we can also send it to our customers by creating an automatic PDF report or a manual PDF report. We can come here and have all the evidence here with just one click, meaning we see what was done, how was it done, and also the communication and activity log can be completely exported. Also, one of the very important points in maintaining are the regular schedules and maintenance intervals of different assets and asset tasks. And this is easily done, for example, here if we need to do something for, let's say, with a yearly maintenance or some type of survey. So here we can add our data, and here we can generate an interval-spaced schedule that is going to automatically send out email link, or of course over the mobile app to our employees, the tasks to be done with Wowflow. And we can also schedule this and have it in a so-called yearly maintenance schedule that is interactive, showing in the real time what's done or not, so we can easily see what's done in 24, how do we stand in 25 this year, and what's the projection for the future years. And as you see, it's always more than less. This can also easily be exported in a PDF report if you need to send it to your customers or to your management board, and also have it here at one place with one click to show your work. So we are not only maintaining the building and building parts, but also different assets. And it is very easy to start using asset management in Wowflow because it doesn't require you to have a lot of data. You can set just the name of the asset, place of the asset, and what type of the asset this is, and you are already ready to start with Wowflow to give in the data over the Wowflow app, which I will show very quickly. And you have one source of truth, which shows you what are the issues based on this asset and what are the planned schedules as well and documentation. Similar to building and building parts, having the QR code on this asset helps you very easily with the scan of the QR code to approach the asset, to see what is happening here on this asset. Let's see the details. So we see actually that we have different type of information here. Also there's some type of requirements and PDFs as well. We can also add the data as we're on the asset. For example, with manufacturing data we don't know, we can go to the asset and fill it in and pretty much fill our database of it. And we also already see on site, when we are in front of the asset, the latest issue as well as upcoming tasks. The Wowflow app also helps a lot when it comes to the daily tasks, not just to your employees, but also to service providers that get access to the full app, so they can easily see the tasks that are overdue, where they need to respond, and what they need to do in the next few days. This Wowflow app is completely offline available and also has 10 languages plus automatic translation, meaning it will help you to break the language barrier wherever you are with the automatic translation inside integrated. Also, a big help with the application are our templates that can help you with different types of protocols and forms, so they're easy to create, and forms can be also created by us, where you can add them to your schedules or tasks to be filled, and also to give you a structured way of solving and reporting your work. The equipment feature helps you give out, track automatically all of your equipments, machines, keys, or different type of units that you are having and that you are giving out internally or externally, that are very important to keep track of, and of course to save your time by handing them out and returning them. So just by, again, having an automatically created QR code as you create this unit, you can also use this QR code with the Wowflow app. So when I scan this QR code, then I will have automatically here ready to take over this unit when I'm an internal user and can see it, or very easily issue it internally, or like I said, for example, here externally with some colleagues of mine and have it signed and therefore have it as automatically here reported as being handed over, for example, like in this case with signature and different type of information. So to summarize, Wowflow really helps you to automatize all the tickets with email, link, QR code, so you have one place where all the tickets are coming in and not dispersed types of way that it will take you more than 50% of your time. With schedules, you can easily automate all of your maintenance intervals and have it at one glance with a real-time status as your yearly maintenance task list. Also, based on the schedules, you will have different type of information on your asset, meaning when's the last time they have been repaired and how often, seeing the schedule intervals on those, and having the centralized place of the data of the schedules. All of this can be easily evaluated with our quick filters, or you can adjust your filters and save your filters, and you have here a lot of advanced filters that will help you sort out the information as you need it, and of course easily export it in different type of formats for your usage. The dashboards are also available and something that we create on a customer request to really have your ROIs set up for you. So please feel free to come on our homepage and test for free Wowflow to really see does it suit you, your company, your employees, and we are more than happy to help.